Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is wonderful to have you back. Well, today is an auspicious day because today is the day where everybody celebrates Ganesh Chaturthi. And this day, I'm here at my friend's place. You've met her before. Well, I'm at DJ Aksha's place. Like I've been telling you earlier, DJ Aksha slash Dr. Apeksha. Well, she invited me over, so Ashley also is there along with me. So we are both here for the celebration, and there are a lot of people here. We are having a good time. It's nice to celebrate a festival like this with a lot of people because Aksha told me earlier, more the people, more happy Ganesha is. So to celebrate Lord Ganesha's day, we have all gathered together as one big happy family. So have a look at the celebrations now.
Ganesh Chaturthi, also called Vinayaka Chaturthi, is an auspicious Hindu festival celebrating the arrival of Lord Ganesh on earth. We were offered authentic Chaturthi delicacies ranging from my personal favorite Mode to Modak and sweets. So many delicious sweets. We were finding ways on where and how to place the idol in order to lower it into the well during the Visarjane. And as you can see right now, the boys took care of it. As the puja arati took off, the atmosphere changed into that of devotion. It was nice to witness and listen to the proceedings and chants.
गणपति बाप्पा
मोरया.
पुढच्या वर्षी
लवकर या.
गणपती गेला गावाला
चैन पडेना
आम्हाला
येस
As the moment of Visarjane inched closer, Lord Ganesha's idol was placed at the sacred Tulsi Katte, and from there to the open well where the Visarjane took place.
Well, everyone, it was a magical experience for all of us, and this was my first time. Witnessing the Visarjane. So we just finished bidding farewell to Lord Ganesha. It was very nice, and we all had a good time. So I just made a couple of new friends here. These are all Aksha's friends, apart except Ashley right there.
Me also.
Oh yeah. Well, it was nice, and thank you, Aksha, for having us.
anytime.
So on that note, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.
Sure.